In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete multiple friends at once on Facebook. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Facebook on your device and sign in into your Facebook account. Now, go ahead and head over to the menu section by clicking on the menu button, which you'll find at the top right corner of your screen. Head over to your friends section by clicking on the friends button, and in here you will be able to find your receive friend request on the platform. So what you'll need to do in here is to go ahead and head over to the your friends section on your friends, and you'll be able to find the list of your current friends on Facebook. Now in here you can go ahead and simply sort out your list of friends by clicking on the sort button. As you can see in here, you can sort your friends by default, or by the newest friends first, or by the oldest friends first. You can also use the search bar to search for a specific friend. To be able to delete or unfriend someone on Facebook, what you'll need to do is to look for that specific someone. Go ahead and look for that specific user that you want to unfriend on Facebook, and click on the three dots beside that friend's name, and you'll be able to view all of your options. So as you can see in here, you can simply click on the unfriend button and confirm unfriending this user. You can do this repeatedly on the your friends section to be able to unfriend multiple friends on Facebook, and that is how you can simply delete multiple friends on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.